In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the extension for Google Docs Dark Mode, a simple yet effective way to reduce eye strain and make your document editing experience more comfortable, especially during those late-night work sessions. Let's dive right in. First off, you're going to want to head over to the Chrome Web Store. If you're not familiar with it, the Chrome Web Store is essentially a marketplace for browser extensions and applications that can extend the functionality of your Google Chrome browser. Simply open up Google and type in Web Store in the search bar. Your top result should be the Chrome Web Store, so go ahead and click on that link. Once you've made it to the Web Store, you'll find that it's filled with a plethora of options. But today, we're interested in one specific feature, the dark mode for Google Docs. Direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll find several tabs. Click on the one labeled Extensions. This is where you'll find a wide range of tools that can enhance your browsing and productivity experience. With the Extensions tab open, navigate over to the search bar at the top left corner. In this field, you're going to type Docs Dark Mode. Hit Enter, and you'll be presented with a list of results related to your search. You'll want to browse through these until you spot the one that simply reads Dark Mode. To ensure you're selecting the right one, check that it mentions Google Docs specifically. This is crucial because we want to make sure it integrates seamlessly with your documents. After selecting the Dark Mode extension suited for Google Docs, you should be on a page that details what the extension does, offers user reviews, and provides additional information. If everything looks good, you're ready to proceed. The next step is to add this extension to your Chrome browser. To do this, locate the blue button that says Add to Chrome, usually found on the upper right portion of the page. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm the installation of the extension. Read through the permissions if you like, and when you're ready, click on Add Extension. Your browser may take a moment to download and install. After it completes, you should see the dark mode icon appear next to your browser's address bar, confirming that the installation was successful. Before diving into your documents, I recommend taking a minute to adjust any settings that might appear for your new extension, such as switching between different dark modes or configuring how it looks on your screen. And there you have it. You've successfully added Google Docs Dark Mode to your Chrome browser. Now, whenever you're working in Google Docs, you can enjoy the soothing effects of a dark background with light text, making those marathon editing sessions just a bit more manageable. Thanks for following along, and happy editing!